Hello everyone, I'm back with another Railfanning video, and today we have at least 5-6 trains maybe. So here's our first train. This one jump scared us. So me and my dad were heading down the highway when he thought he heard rumbling, and then 2 minutes later the headlights came out of nowhere. They literally spawned out of existence. Anyways, so here's a KCS Southern Belle. I haven't seen these in 2 years. This is a first-hand experience. Yippee! I took a photo. But anyways, here, we went, basically the speed limit, which was 60 miles an hour, and we charged to this gas station where we parked, and here's the shot you see here. Very bad panning. Yeah, so. Here we have the end of the train, which was a bit of a cool one. A UPACE, which was pretty cool. Here we have our next train, which is a BNSF tanker train, with the -9 trailing third, and the lead engine's road number is like very faded. There was a couple of TFM gondolas in the front and the back, and one of them was KCSM, which was pretty cool. I've never seen TFM stuff before. But anyways, yeah. Here we have the end of the train, which, I believe that's a TFM gondola. Okay, it is. No, it's just, no, it is. There was also a KCS, gondola, which was pretty cool. I think that one was loaded, or, I don't know, because it could have been heading to a refinery. I don't know the symbols. But, yeah, that was the end of the train. It stopped there for like 30 minutes. For some reason, because like it just never moved. And here's the next train that went past it. This is I'm gonna wait for the train to get in the shot. Right about now. Yep. Here we have a rock train, which with an SD70M. These are becoming almost rare on road trains, so that's gonna be like not good. But anyways, I've been encountering a lot of rock trains recently, since like there's literally a rock plant literally, I don't know, 5 miles away from Rosenberg. So here's the next train, which is a bit of a shocker, because it literally had a Southern Belle leading. I got pretty lucky with Southern Bells today, and I think I may have actually saw this one on the Houston live cam. I'm not joking, because I saw a train rounding the curve, rounding one of the Ys, and I was like, huh, that's cool. For Southern Belle on the live cam. And then this may be the same train. I don't know. I never checked the consist. So, but anyways, just watch the Schneider intermodal / manifest train go by. This train literally had like the shortest part of the manifest, which was absolutely weird, because like it usually has like 50 cars worth of like random stock, either in front or behind the well cars, and it turns out there was only like 20 or 30 on this. That's kind of weird, but I don't make trains, so. Here we have the last and final train of the day. This was a oncoming sand train from the rock plant. This was not the same train we saw earlier, because they have 4 engines leading. And the first unit leading was in the new flagless paints game. Pretty cool. But I wish they kept with the first one that they did. Had an ace trailing third, which was also pretty cool. And this was a non-Chivo Lasha, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, this was our final train, as I stated earlier. We didn't catch that much, but we got a couple good units, so. Here's the end of the train. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and occasional gaming videos here and there. But until then, see y'all in the next video.